If you're encountering a threat feed error on FireEye Helix 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the error efficiently. Step 1. Check network connectivity. Ensure that your FireEye Helix device has a stable internet connection. A disrupted connection can lead to issues with accessing threat feeds. Test the connection by pinging a reliable external server. Step 2. Verify threat feed configuration. Access the configuration settings of your threat feeds within the FireEye Helix interface. Make sure that the feed URLs and authentication credentials are correctly entered. Incorrect settings can cause the error. Step 3. Update FireEye Helix. Check for any available updates for your FireEye Helix system. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with threat feeds. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Step 4. Restart the service. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to FireEye support for assistance. Provide them with details of the error and the steps you've already taken to expedite the troubleshooting process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the threat feed error on your FireEye Helix 2026. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from technical support.